From compact and portable options to heavy-duty industrial units, we have analyzed and compared the top contenders to help you make an informed decision. There are many products available to choose blower fan, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best blower fan from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Lasko High Velocity Pivoting Utility Blower Fan. The Lasko High Velocity Pivoting Utility Blower Fan is a powerful air mover designed for cooling, ventilating, exhausting, and drying purposes. With its high-velocity airstream and 3 fan speeds, it can generate maximum air delivery of approximately 289 CFMs, making it ideal for cooling hot spaces, circulating and exhausting stuffy air, and drying wet carpeting and floors. Its functional design and rugged construction make it suitable for various settings such as kitchens, garages, workshops, and basements. The fan features a 270-degree pivoting action, allowing you to direct the airflow exactly where you need it. It also comes with 2 120-volt grounded outlets for accessory use, a circuit breaker with reset button for safety, and a 10-feet power cord for convenience. The Lasko High Velocity Blower Fan is ETL listed and provides efficient and powerful air circulation in a compact and space-saving design. The Lasko High Velocity Pivoting Utility Blower Fan is a versatile and powerful air mover that is perfect for cooling, ventilating, exhausting, and drying purposes. With its high-velocity airstream, 3 fan speeds, and convenient pivoting action, this fan provides efficient and targeted airflow wherever you need it. Its compact size and lightweight design make it easy to move from room to room, and the built-in safety features ensure peace of mind during use. Number 2. Lasko X Blower 6-Position High-Velocity Pivoting Utility Blower Fan. The Lasko X Blower 6-Position High-Velocity Pivoting Utility Blower Fan is a powerful and versatile air mover that helps circulate and cool the hottest spaces in your home. With 3 fan speeds and a high CFM of 370, it can quickly exhaust stuffy air, dry wet carpeting and floors, and provide a cooling breeze. It features a compact and adaptable design, making it easy to move from room to room or job to job. The blower fan also includes convenient features like a built-in 120V accessory outlet and 2 USB ports to power additional devices. Safety is ensured with the ETL listing, circuit breaker with reset button, and 3-prong grounded plug. Its space-saving design is perfect for areas where larger fans won't fit. Stay cool and comfortable with the Lasko X Blower 6-Position High-Velocity Pivoting Utility Blower Fan. The Lasko X Blower 6-Position High-Velocity Pivoting Utility Blower Fan is a top-notch choice for cooling, ventilating, exhausting, and drying purposes. With its powerful airflow and compact design, this fan is perfect for various settings, from job sites and garages to basements and homes. The built-in power outlets and USB ports add extra convenience, while the safety features ensure worry-free operation. The only downside is the limited angle options, but overall, this fan is a fantastic investment to keep you cool and comfortable. Highly recommended for anyone in need of a reliable and versatile air mover. Number 3. XPO Werp 230 AT Mini Mighty 1/4 HP 925 CFM Centrifugal Air Mover. The XPO Werp 230 AT Mini Mighty is a powerful and energy-efficient centrifugal air mover. It can speed dry carpets, floors, furniture, windows, and walls thanks to its focused air current. With its 1/4 HP motor, it can produce up to 925 CFM while drawing only 2.3 amps at its highest setting. This mini air mover is lightweight, portable, and stackable, making it convenient for storage and transportation. It comes with versatile features such as 3 speeds, 4 operating positions, and a built-in timer. The XPO Werp 230 AT is ETL, CETL safety certified and backed by a 1-year limited warranty. It is a reliable and efficient solution for water damage restoration, janitorial work, plumbing, and home use. The XPO Werp 230 AT Mini Mighty is an excellent air mover for various applications. It delivers fast and efficient drying, thanks to its powerful airflow. The compact and lightweight design makes it easy to transport and store. The versatile features, including multiple speeds and operating positions, allow for customization based on specific needs. While it may not be whisper quiet, it is a reliable and durable fan. The XPO Werp 230 AT offers great value for the price and is highly recommended for anyone in need of a high-quality air mover. Number 4. Lasko High Velocity Max Performance Pivoting Utility Blower Fan. Beat the summer heat with the Lasko High Velocity Max Performance Pivoting Utility Blower Fan. This powerful fan is great for cooling, ventilating, exhausting, and drying. With its high-velocity airstream and 3 fan speeds, it can circulate and exhaust stuffy air, as well as dry wet carpeting and floors. The pivoting blower head allows you to direct the breeze wherever you want. It's perfect for use in kitchens, garages, basements, shops, home gyms, job sites, and more. The fan is easy to use with manual controls and comes fully assembled. It also features built-in twin 120V accessory outlets on the side to power additional devices. With its compact size and rugged construction, this fan can fit in small spaces where air circulation is needed. Trust in Lasko, a household brand that has been making quality products for over 100 years. The Lasko High Velocity Max Performance Pivoting Utility Blower Fan is ETL listed and equipped with a circuit breaker and reset button for added safety. The Lasko High Velocity Max Performance Pivoting Utility Blower Fan is a great choice for beating the summer heat. With its high-velocity airstream and adjustable speeds, it can cool, circulate, and dry out spaces effectively. The convenience of built-in accessory outlets and its compact size make it a versatile fan for various applications. While it may be louder on the highest setting and only cools a specific area, its overall performance and durability make it a reliable choice. Trust in the brand's century-long reputation and enjoy the cooling breeze of the Lasko High Velocity Max Performance Pivoting Utility Blower Fan. Number 5. Mini Blower Fan for Dinosaur Costume. The mini blower fan for dinosaur costume or doll mascot head or other inflatable game clothing suits in orange is a high-quality replacement fan made from lightweight materials. It is easy to use and can be powered by a portable power bank or 4AA batteries. The fan can be used for inflating costumes or as a personal fan in daily life. It is recommended to use it intermittently for half an hour and rest for a few minutes to prevent overheating. The fan does not include batteries or a charging bank, and it works for about 200 hours. Overall, it is a convenient and durable fan for inflatable costumes. The mini blower fan is a reliable and efficient option for inflating costumes or as a personal fan. It provides convenience and durability with its lightweight design and long-lasting battery life. While there have been a few reports of broken fans upon delivery, overall it has received positive reviews for its performance. It is recommended to have your own batteries or charging bank ready for use. Whether you need to inflate a dinosaur costume or stay cool in the summer, this mini blower fan is a practical choice. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.